Them talk about me like every day, me talk about them like not one day.
That's that, every day my fucking name hot. We again on top of the convo.
So Massacre throw away him good career to be talk about every day. To be a Alkaline 2.0. To be on top of the convo every day. If you not talk about Massacre, then you not get no views. The false sense of relevancy. Me I go explain this to you. This is real talk.
This is real talk.
Real talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Yo people, well forward back to the brand new channel. This is Real Talk and I am your host, DJ Dreadbeard. And from when you know say Real Talk, me I go make, like the video, write Real Talk in the comment section and subscribe to the channel. If a Real Talk me I go make, well me no make the Real Talk yet, but by the end of the video, you will know if a Real Talk me make. So yo, me notice me see some of the real music guru them find the channel as me big up passionate kid. You know anyway the good reasoning there. Passionate kid I got there. Me see Miss Julia find her way over here, so you see me? So big up the people them way finally find out say the reasoning the over here so too. Not only over DJ Dreadbeard and over here so the reasoning it just flow. Because me not stop and pull up no clip. Me not meme out nobody. Me not laugh off of nobody. I just straight reasoning we reason over here so. One and two times we pull up some clip for make the conversation more stronger, you see me? But yo, this comment, me talk about it a little bit. Well, me I go talk about it a little bit over the main channel. So the brother here, him left the comment and say, yo, don't talk about Massacre for a week and see if you can pay your bill. We know so we see this already. We see this already with Alkaline and him fans them. Like you have to put Alkaline in the title. You have to talk about Alkaline to get views. When last I see somebody put Alkaline in the title, and when last I see somebody put Alkaline picture on them thumbnail. So it was always a false sense of relevancy. Like, yeah, during the time there, you talk about Alkaline, but him still not have a billboard. Him still not have a Grammy, him still not have a mobile. Him still not have a gold, him still not have a silver. So while people didn't say, yo, even Alkaline himself fall in the trap too, you know, cause of him make him fans them a type them something, you know. Them talk about me like every day, me talk about them not one day. So people say, yo, no, have to talk about Alkaline. Every day you talk about Alkaline. Alkaline. Yeah, but we don't understand, say, it is a sports. It is a sports for the Gaza people, because watch out. Vibes Cartel not clash nobody. But the fans them still need a little blood there. You see me, them still need a little action there for this boy are. So people will size up Alkaline just for the sport title, you know. We know say Alkaline not there no one near Vibes Cartel, but people do it for the fun and the joke and the sport. And you know what that do? It make Alkaline feel like him achieve something because every day him get up and him see people talk about him on YouTube. While 1 year have passed, 2 years have passed, before you know it, Alkaline in the game for 10 years and him not achieve nothing. All him achieve people talk about him every day on YouTube. Even when him fall off, like even though 1 or 2 times you hear people talk about him same way, him have him vloggers them way talk about him sometime. Them more talk about Vibes Cartel now, disrespect Vibes Cartel, but him have him vlogger them, the vendetta vlogger them. So at the road there we notice Massacre I go down. Massacre I go down the road there like and me again on top of the convo. The same Alkaline route. So Massacre have him good career, bro. Before some face Massacre have a great career where up it a go. Anybody who thinks the Massacre career still a go up, or no delusional as fuck, bro. Yeah, a downhill. Every day Massacre career does a go downhill. It now go up. So the false sense of achievement there, false sense of relevancy, because the relevancy part I know every day you call me name now, so you feel relevant. But you see, without the Vibes Cartel comparison and without the Vibes Cartel size up, nobody would be on the internet calling your name. And me don't know if that Massacre see and want. Well, probably Massacre see say him can't go no further. Me don't know. Me don't want disrespect him. More talk unbiased. There's no way you have a good career like Massacre and you dash it with be talk about every day upon YouTube. Talking about every day upon YouTube not gonna get you a gold or a silver. Talk about it on YouTube, I got distract you. Because of that happened to Alkaline, him distracted by him vlogger them every day. I go against Vibes Cartel and I back and forth and him feel good in himself. Say yo, after 10 years, people still talk about him. You know, I know that musician and artist aim for. Them not be aim for be talk about alone. You aim for get awards, bro. You aim for them on the charts. You aim for get endorsement. One whole heap of something you aim for, not to be talk about every day on YouTube and sometimes on Instagram and TikTok. And that is not. So watch this now. The reason I go stray one little bit. This is why you find out say some of the man them who used to call themselves Gaza vlogger, them used to disrespect Alkaline. Them not talk nothing about Vibes Cartel like. Them not teach you nothing about Vibes Cartel like. Teach you no stats or break down no song or. For them job is we disrespect Alkaline every day. And them fall under the banner of a Gaza vlogger. So guess what now? Yes, when Alkaline completely fall off, them vlogger they did miss. I'm not going to call on him, but who know. Say, most of the man them used to this Alkaline. When Alkaline fall off, the Gaza vlogger they miss. You know why they miss? You need Alkaline for in the convo every day. For you can run out and diss him. You need Alkaline for have a hot song or something for you found out and say the song are trash. And then you go back and forth with the vendetta man them. And that is what them used to call Gaza vlogging. Back in the days, before you have a man like Uncle forward out and I give you stats and a teacher the things the man. You see me? So that's how I go reach Massacre right now. Yeah, right now we're there and we are talking about Massacre because Massacre a farmer fool himself. Don't get it misconstrued. So we're there out here, I laugh off a Massacre, and I say, yo, if we not talk about Massacre, we can't pay with bills. Bro, if you're out here clown out yourself, we are going to talk about it. We are going to talk about it until it no longer are going to get with no views. We are vlogger, and that's our job. So whether we are talking about it in a good way or a bad way, or we are clowning out or a gimmicks out to get the views, there's going to be a time when your music have to keep you in the convo. You have to make yourself relevant. The fans them on YouTube conversation can't make you relevant. And right now, Alkaline is relevant. You could have talked about Alkaline till a morning over the Vendetta channel. Him not in the algorithm again. That's why people have him in the title again. And have him on the thumbnail again. Yo, you know who else this is something like that? I never get tricked. I never get fooled like Alkaline and Massacre. Skilly Bang. Skilly Bang, they have a song where him say, if you want to make money, just vlog about Skilly. But Skilly never out here farm a fool himself and only depend on people that call him name for get views. Skilly Bang went on to get gold, silver, billboard and all kind of something while Massacre and Alkaline still there. Want for them on top of the convo and feel like say, yo, them is the shit. So the false sense of relevance where people tell us say, yo, you have to call Massacre name now. Are the same style there? Are the same mistake there? The Vendetta man them did make. Yo, you have to put Alkaline name in a title. Yo, someone talk about them a Gaza and them have to put Alkaline name in a thumbnail. Every day you don't have Alkaline name in a thumbnail and you say you know Gaza. Yeah, that's the mistake was the Gaza man them did make. Back in the days when the back and forth with Alkaline. Them are never no really no Gaza vlogger, you know. Them is like a Alkaline hater. Them hate Alkaline more than all them say Gaza. Don't make that fly over your head. You see me? So majority of them content is about eating Alkaline. When Alkaline fall off, them Gaza vlogger they fall off too. You need Alkaline for stay relevant. You need Alkaline for art for stay relevant. So the comments them did kinda true when them say, yo, you have to have Alkaline in your title every day. It did kinda true for them Gaza vlogger there. Because if Alkaline not art, the vlogger them not art. So this is why when I see them forward back now when Vibes Cartel forward out a road, them still in a them mode where them have to back and forth to the or them have to go end up this all the next Gaza vlogger now. That's how it reach, you know. Because your vlogging style is about cussing. So now you don't have Alkaline for cuss. So guess who you cuss? You cuss the next Gaza vlogger where he might talk stats, he might talk facts, he might talk numbers, he might break down the music, he might teach you some things. So that's how it reach. I remember say, that's how we reason. We are going to just give everything and make it fall into pieces like a puzzle. So the comments here, you're going to start see it more often from the one side man them. You're going to start see them and say, yo, you have to call Massacre name to get views. And at that are them achievement right now. So them dash them good career for them on the internet and say, yo, you have to call Massacre name. Why we are call Massacre name? Are we calling Massacre name for something good? Are we are say, yo, him flap a one stage show, he machine goat, he might call himself goat and king and everybody a laugh off him and say him flap. That is why we are call him name. So yes, we are gonna call him name for get views, but for how long? That are the question me I gonna leave on with, right? So how long we are gonna call him name for? Until him stop farm a fool himself, bro. Until him stop give us something to talk about and laugh about. Until him fall off. Until we stop calling him name. That is the answer. Same thing like Alkaline. When last I hear no man call Alkaline name. Massacre name I call more than Alkaline name right now, you know. But for all the wrong reasons, bro. Not because we are say, yo, look how Massacre shell down over there, so yo, Massacre just sell silver. I know that him name I call for. Him name I call for a joke thing, for a gimmicks thing. You see me? Yeah, man. So people, I just way I go cut it, you know. You see me? And I drop a video yesterday where affi watch. So all who don't watch the video there yet, the one I drop yesterday, affi go watch it. You see me? The video where I talk about say, yo, them not give Vybz Kartel artist of the year because they must say him a legend. So they must say, yo, take him out of the category for artist of the year because I'm bigger than artist of the year. And I say, yo, don't make them trick because that is a craft, you see me? Because them don't want to give him artist of the year, so them say take him out artist of the year. But anyway, people, yesterday red arrow there, we are pointing to the video there. That's the video where I telling you about. So just click on it and go watch it, you see me? And don't forget, if you don't know a real talk me I make, type real talk in the comment, like the video if a real talk me I make, and subscribe if a real talk me I make. I'm out. Real talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.